guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. So I've been off for a little bit, not doing very many videos. I got the big C. I think I took the wrong test. I took a pregnancy test. I'm pregnant. So anyway, I'm sick and I'm quarantined in my room and I'm bored as fuck. I can't do anything. I can't go upstairs. I can't go in the other room. I go to the bathroom. My wife and my kids are taking care of me. They just keep on sending me stuff down. I've been really sick. This is second or third time. Second time I think I caught it. Well, whatever. With my heart condition, I have to be careful. I gotta keep away from everybody else, just like that. So, but anyway, on the bright side, I got to do a couple things. So I just want to show you guys, like, you know, my channel's about woodworking and 3D printing, and of course Star Wars, because that's what I have at my age. What else do I got? So this is Cad Bane. He came out way before the Book of Boba Fett was even out there. I know that because he was in the comic books. One of my favorite bounty hunters. Him too, but he's the best. So what I did was I 3D printed my own Cad Bane. Now, this would be compared to the 6-inch series. Now, I had all my 6-inch series up there, but they're so heavy they fell. A mess. So I'm just going to show you. I printed them. They might not be scaled to what they're supposed to be, but I printed him to pretty much the same scale. So she's sitting on my finger, so is he. So it's pretty close. Hat doesn't come off. It has no articulation, no nothing. This is the pose that they give you. But what I did was I sat here and I took some acrylic paints. And as you can see, I painted up. You can see he's got some red eyes in there. Kind of see his teeth. So the browns, pretty close to what they are. The backpack I changed up a bit, and mine has some sort of case. This is not. This is the three-quarter inch set. It's different. This Cad Bane has bullets around his ankles. This one has some sort of knife pack or something. I'm not even sure. The gun's on the other side, so I didn't include the gun on this guy. I just want to show you. This is just basically browns with his blue face, and the hat's brown, black, and some silver. So that's what I did with that one. Second thing I printed a while back was a Jabba the Hutt. Now, this is a different kind of Jabba the Hutt, as in it's for your paintbrushes. Now, what you do with this is basically take your paintbrushes and they can hold it. You could actually put paint in there and you could paint your items with it. Clean it, maybe make it cleaner, whatever, do whatever you want. But I'm just painting them up. Now, not every Jabba is the same. I guess there's different series of it. I have one right there, and that's back from like the 70s, and he's more of a light brown green. And then there's other ones that are more dark green. You know, it's Jabba. It'll look good. So what I did was I gave him a couple coats of brown. Well, I primed it. Gave him a couple coats of brown. And then I put some green on it. But I find the green's a bit too much. So what I'm going to do is I added just a wash of brown. Now, I'm just going to show you guys because I got nothing better to do. And all I'm going to do is wash my Jabba with some brown, just on the green spots mostly. We could do the whole thing if we want. And just gonna add this color. So it's just a light brown. And all I want to do is get it in there. You let it set for a couple seconds. You tell I'm sick, you can hear it. And then all I want to do is just kind of wipe it down. Now, that don't look like much. Off camera, like on my side, I can see where the brown's sitting. Here you can barely see it. Anyway, I'm gonna do this whole set, and then I'm gonna wipe it down, let it dry. I'm gonna do this 3 times, and you'll see that the green won't be as vibrant. That's what we want. Let me just let this dry. So after a couple of coats, you could see that it lightened it, well, darkened the green. And I actually went and did the eyes. I painted gold and silver inside there. And I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. This is a Jabba that I printed a while back. And you can see the size difference between both of them. This is a pretty big one. It goes in my 12-inch series that I always wanted. I don't go and look for these things because the Mecca or whatever the names are of these, the big ones are very expensive, like probably like $200 and up. Would nice to have, but not gonna happen with me. So this is what I did. So here you go. This would be great. You could put paint in there, and or put a cup in it and then add paint, and you can take the cup out if you want. Those little medicine cups are great to have. Simple print that I got off of Thingiverse. I just kind of based the bottom. That's not important. Yeah, so I think it's cool. What do you guys think? This is the start of the winter seasons for me at Choose Your Own Path. So no more carving because it's too cold outside and I don't need to be sick anymore. There'll be, so a lot of this, I'm going to be starting up, hopefully, is that a word, hopefully, starting up some new projects, and I want to start making, let's say, props and costume kind of stuff. So EVA foam, making like armor and weapons and stuff like that. Now, if I have time and I have the energy, that's going to be new to the channel also. This is just a fun channel. It's got a couple of variations of different stuff, which is, you know, what I can do, just to show you guys how I do it. And if I can do it, you can do it. That's the way it works. So again, stay safe. Yeah, if I can do it, you can do it. Choose your own path, and we'll see you guys on the next one.